my respectful submission, in-laws, is that the right to temple entry for a believer is a right guaranteed under 25(1). Therefore, when Devaru attempts to balance 25 and 26, it seeks to balance the right of temple entry under 25(1) and the right of the denomination under 26. I must straight away say, my lords, that the right to entry under 25(1) into an Hindu temple is not an absolute one. There are caveats, my lord. Shall I just place them in seriatim? My lords, in part A of page 62, my lords, I have given your lordships the history of Temple Entry Proclamation, my lords. Lords, I heard some arguments on the other side, my lords, what was the nature of the Temple Entry Proclamation in the Travancore Kingdom, my lords. But one thing is clear, and I am quoting Mahatma Gandhi here. Whatever may be the cause, the fact of the proclamation, page 64, my lords, whatever may be the cause, the fact of the proclamation being given effect to by an overwhelming number of Savarnas and being freely availed by all of Avarnas stands out as a miracle. Milords, why do I seek to protect temple entry under 25(1), Milords? Because I am imploring your lordships. I am not taking your lordships to the entirety of the material that I have compiled there. Temple entry is a matter of struggle. It is after a long battle, Milords, that people were given access to temples. If your lordships are only to situate it in 25(2)(b), which is merely an enabling power, Milords, it does disservice to the entire struggle of temple entry, Milords, that we have seen over the last 1 century. If your lordship sees, Milords, more than legal arguments, Milords, only examples can work. If your lordships have a Kanakadasa or a Nandanar in your lordship's mind, Milords, then your lordships will know how important it is to have temple entry so far as Hindus are concerned, because it is one of the most outstanding reformist actions of modern India, so far as temple entry is concerned. I'll come to what are the caveats on absolute entry. There's no question of an absolute entry, but what are the caveats that are on temple entry, Milords? But your lordships must recognize the struggle that went through for achieving temple entry in this country, Milords, and your lordships must accord it protection under Article 25(1),